Imagine riding down the highway and suddenly everyone around you slows down. Phones come out, heads turn, and you realize all eyes are on you. Not because you're driving a supercar, not because it's a massive luxury motorhome, but because you're cruising in a stunning metallic tricycle home on wheels RV that looks like it came straight out of the future. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a statement. A bold, shining, head-turning statement on 3 wheels. From the very first glance, the metallic body grabs your attention. The polished steel finish reflects the sky, the city lights, and even the passing cars like a moving mirror. It feels futuristic, almost sci-fi. The aerodynamic curves aren't just for style. They make the tricycle look fast, even when it's parked. The front wheel leads confidently, while the 2 rear wheels support a compact, but beautifully crafted tiny home structure that sits perfectly balanced. And here's the crazy part. It's small, but it doesn't feel small. Step inside, and you're instantly surprised. The door opens smoothly, revealing a cozy, well-designed interior that proves you don't need a mansion to live comfortably. Every inch of space has been thoughtfully used. On one side, there's a compact seating area that easily transforms into a sleeping bed. Soft cushions, warm lighting, and metallic accents give it a modern yet cozy vibe. It's minimal, but not boring. Simple, but not basic. Look up, and you'll notice clever storage compartments tucked into the walls. Look down, and you'll see smart floor space that doesn't feel cramped. This is the kind of design that makes you say, wow, they really thought about everything. And yes, it has a tiny kitchen, a small but functional cooking space with a compact stove, a mini sink, and enough counter area to prepare a simple meal on the road. Imagine parking near a beach, opening the door, feeling the cool breeze, and cooking your favorite food right there inside your metallic tricycle RV. That's freedom on a whole different level. Now let's talk about the driving experience. Unlike a huge motorhome that feels heavy and difficult to maneuver, this tricycle RV feels agile. It's easier to handle, easier to park, and way more flexible in tight spaces. You don't need a massive parking lot. You don't need a special RV campsite every time. You can explore narrow roads, small towns, hidden scenic routes, places traditional RVs can't even think about going. And because it's built on a tricycle platform, it blends motorcycle thrill with tiny home comfort. You get that open road feeling, that sense of adventure, but without sacrificing your sleeping space or daily essentials. But here's what makes this metallic home on wheels truly special. It changes how you think about living. Why pay high rent? Why stay stuck in one place? Why limit your view to the same window every day? With something like this, your backyard can change whenever you want. One week you wake up near mountains. Next week, you're parked beside a lake. The week after, you're exploring a new city that it's not just travel. It's a lifestyle shift. The metallic exterior also makes it durable and strong. It's built to handle weather changes, long drives, and different terrains. Rain? No problem. Sun blazing overhead. The reflective body helps manage heat. It's practical, not just beautiful. And let's be honest, it looks incredible in photos and videos. If you're a content creator, traveler, or someone who loves documenting life on the road, this tricycle RV is a moving studio. Every angle looks cinematic. Every stop becomes a new backdrop. It's Instagram-worthy, YouTube-ready, and guaranteed to spark conversations wherever you go. People will ask questions. They'll want to see inside. They'll want to know how it works. And that's part of the fun. Inside, the lighting plays a huge role. Soft LED strips create a warm glow at night, making the tiny space feel inviting instead of tight. Windows are strategically placed so natural light fills the interior during the day. It never feels dark or closed in. Instead, it feels open, bright, and alive. And because it's compact, maintenance is easier. Cleaning takes minutes, not hours. Organizing is simple. You carry only what you truly need. It teaches you minimalism without forcing you to sacrifice comfort. Think about the possibilities. Weekend road trips, full-time van life, mobile office, adventure touring, even festival living. This metallic tricycle home on wheels RV adapts to your lifestyle instead of the other way around. And here's something people don't expect. It actually makes you more connected to your surroundings. In a giant RV, you sometimes feel isolated. In this tricycle home, you feel part of the environment. Closer to nature, closer to the road, closer to the experience that it's not about luxury in the traditional sense. It's about smart luxury, freedom luxury, Mobility luxury. Imagine waking up early in the morning. You slide open the door. Fresh air hits your face. The sun reflects beautifully off the metallic exterior. Birds are chirping. The world feels quiet. And you realize your home brought you here in a landlord. No fixed address. Just you, your 3 wheels, and the open road that's powerful. This stunning metallic tricycle home on wheels RV proves that bigger isn't always better. Smarter is better. More flexible is better. More free is better. And the best part? It inspires you to rethink what home really means. Maybe home isn't a building. Maybe it's wherever you feel alive. So tell me, could you live in something like this? Could you trade space for freedom? Comfort for adventure? Routine for exploration? Because once you see this metallic tricycle RV rolling down the road, shining under the sun, carrying someone's entire life inside it, you start to wonder if this is the future of travel. 3 wheels. One home, endless possibilities.